In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert icons in a Microsoft Word document. And the best part is, these icons are completely free to use. Icons are small visual symbols that can make your documents look more professional and engaging. Whether you're creating reports, presentations, newsletters, or even educational materials, adding icons can help convey ideas quickly and make your content more visually appealing. To start, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to insert an icon, or create a new blank document if you prefer. Once your document is ready, go to the top of the Word window and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains tools for adding all sorts of elements, including pictures, shapes, charts, and, of course, icons. Look for the Icons button, usually located toward the right side of the ribbon. Click on Icons and a new window will open called the Insert Icons Gallery. Here, you'll find hundreds of free icons organized by categories like business, people, technology, education, and more. This makes it easy to find the perfect icon for your content. You can scroll through the categories or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific icon. For example, if you need a computer icon, just type "computer" in the search box and Word will display related icons. Once you find the icon you want to use, click on it to select it. You can select multiple icons at once if you want to insert several at the same time. After selecting your icons, click the Insert button at the bottom right of the window. The icon will appear in your document exactly where your cursor was placed. From here, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners, or reposition it anywhere on the page. You could also change the color of the icon using the Graphics Format tab that appears whenever an icon is selected. This allows you to match the icon's style to your document's theme or brand colors. If you want to adjust alignment, wrap text, or layer icons with other elements, use the Layout options available in the Graphics Format tab. This gives you full control over how your icons fit within the page and with your other content. And that's it! You now know how to insert free icons in Microsoft Word and customize them to make your documents visually appealing and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.